Hi y'all, it's Annelies. And I've got some things to unbox that I'm pretty freaking excited about. Can you see it? Ah, it's the HomePod Mini! It's the HomePod Mini. I'm so excited. You might be asking yourself, Annelies, why 3 HomePod Minis? When'd you become a baller? Well, my dear friend, first of all, these are only $99 each. Now that is 300 smackaroonies, but Christmas is around the corner, okay? Like, let me treat myself. But these are not all just for me in one room. This is actually for the family. So I've got one for me, one for my mom, and one for downstairs because we now live in a 2-story house. And soon as I saw that intercom feature, I was originally just gonna buy one for me because I knew my mom wasn't gonna have, like, I don't know, too much interest in it. But intercom was what sold me on saying, nope, we need one for everywhere possible. And I was lucky enough to say that I was able to snag them. I woke up at 5. No, I woke up at 4:30 a.m. Tried to get on the website. It was also like crashing because of the iPhone 12 Pro Max and all the iPhone 12 mini launch at the same time too. Yeah, it was a journey, but so worth it. I'm so excited to unbox this bad boy and get my hands on it. Finally, I have a HomePod. Ah! I'm so excited. Okay, let's get into this. I can't wait. All the people who were able to get their hands on one the day it came out. I ordered mine online and it didn't come in until the 18th when they were available in stores. Oh gosh, look at how good this box is. Like, so cute, but then also so fun. Oh my god, so fun. Apple never has this type of color on their boxes. I love it. Okay, the moment of truth. Look at that little orb. Oh my god. Okay, let's get into this. It smells so... It smells like a new pair of sneakers. Or like, it smells like the sneaker aisle of a Payless shoe source. Brings back memories. We've got the HomePod Mini. It has the cable attached to it, and I think it's like a 3-foot cable, and it is a nice and braided cable, so I feel like that's gonna last really well. It is a USB-C, so that is, I was gonna say it's an interesting choice, but here I am being the one who always complains about everything not being in USB-C, so it was I was not expecting it, but I'm glad it's here. And we have a little sticker at the bottom. Look at that little Apple logo, it's so cute. Okay, we're gonna put you back here for just a moment, HomePod. I'll get to you in a second. Unlike the iPhones, we do have the coveted 20-watt power adapter that is USB-C, so that's cool. We've got the paperwork, and do we have an Apple sticker? Do we have an Apple sticker? We do. We do have an Apple sticker. I'm glad they're keeping those, because listen, first of all, how much of this stuff needs to be included, like, legally? Because if they're talking about saving the environment, why is this not recycled paper? 1. 2, why is it here? I get this one because it has all, like, the legal things. And I guess I get this one. I don't know. I feel like they could. Anyway, that's not what this is about. That's it. That's literally it. It looks so beautiful. The HomePod Mini has a similar vibe to the Google Home Mini. Like, we've got the roundish shapes, the mesh on it. I don't know, when I first saw this, I was like, okay, familiar. I don't know if there's it's obviously they don't look the same at all, but like similar energies here. But anyway, out with the old, in with the new. And okay, I'm gonna make a video about like comparing the two because the Google Home Mini is well, it's now called the Nest Mini, but this is a great device. Like, don't get me wrong. But as an Apple user, as somebody firmly, deeply into the Apple ecosystem, this was the thing I'd always hoped and dreamed for. Oh, she's starting to light up. Unlock my... Oh my word. Personal requests. Oh yeah, so just like literally 100% the reason why I want a HomePod is so I could use personal requests like sending text messages and setting reminders. Yes, please. Yes, I signed my life away. Center HomePod in the frame. Oh my gosh, okay. This is like the... It's pretty loud, y'all. It's pretty freaking loud. Okay, anytime now. It gave me similar vibes to setting up the Apple Watch, you know? How does that work? What is it doing? Because the Apple Watch, it makes sense. It's a weird picture, but like, what light pattern is this? I don't know. I have questions.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod.
Hi.
You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say,
Morning, Sleeping Beauty.
let's get started. Say, what can you do?
What can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather.
It's like showing me on my
Now
phone.
you try. Say,
Rear view mirrors.
play some music.
Play some music.
Sure. Here's some music picked just for you.
I can't get copyrighted, y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit done. Is that it? I think this is set up now. What do I even do? What do I even do? I need to come up with a name for it. I am a dummy who names all my technology. My phone is the only thing I've never given a name. The computer is Pearl. My old computer was Tallulah. The camera is Hades. My SD cards have names. So I need to come up with a name for this. If you have a good name for my HomePod, let me know in the comments down below. When the last person leaves the HomePod media. That sounds like a good automation to turn on. Okay, so I also don't have any home automation things, but okay, we're just gonna do text my mom.
What do you want to say?
I'm texting you using my new HomePod exclamation point.
Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Thank you. So another thing that is really cool that you can do with the HomePod is it has the volume and all those things on there, but if I have a song playing, so, oh, it rang from there. It did not ring on here. Okay, so another cool thing that HomePod can do is I've heard somebody refer to this as like beaming your music. So to show you this feature, the perk about having friends who are musically inclined and write their own music is that you can play their music and hopefully they don't copyright you, Alana. So if I were to play Alana DeGan's debut single, I'm Not Mad, available on all streaming platforms on my phone from Apple Music, and I press play, it's so good. My favorite part's coming up, and then I were to put it by my HomePod, transferring to HomePod. And then it starts playing on the HomePod. I can turn up the volume here. It's very loud. And then I can beam it back onto my phone. How freaking sick is that? And then hold on, we're gonna do it here. Please stream I'm Not Mad. Alana, I love you. Stop. Oh, that was like a soft. So that's a cool thing that exists. That's cool. I'm already very impressed and I'm already very happy and I can't wait to start using this thing. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I'm so glad I have one. Now I have to go set up all the other ones across the house and use intercom for the first time. Be excited for that. And then I will get back to y'all with a review in like a month or so after I've used it. My mom has used it, which will be really great because she's not a huge tech person and we've used it in our house and just seeing how much we like it. Like I said, I also want to do a comparison review between the Google Home Mini, formerly known as, it is currently the Nest Home Mini, and the HomePod Mini. So if you want to see that in the future, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And if you are one of the 90% of my viewers who are not subscribed to the channel, why don't you just subscribe? Clearly, you love coming back, seeing some tech videos, seeing some Annelies nonsense. I know you want to stick around, so just hit that subscribe button already. It's free. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts about the HomePod Mini in the comments down below. Whether you want to see a specific review on it, you want to see me try certain features, or if you're just really excited about the HomePod Mini too, because I can't believe I have it. I'm so excited! So otherwise, that is it for me. Stay beautiful, have a marvelous day, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye! Phil, you're so cute!